Rapid Plus TCT, you're really able to get hands-on experience with these machines that you can't get with a webinar or a white paper or a YouTube video. You're able to see the machines and actually think about what it would be like to put them into your own shop.
We got over 8 new technologies that we got on display. It's one of our greatest opportunities to educate both our current customers and prospective customers alike in what additive can do. And trust me, if you know what additive could do just a few years ago, it may be very different today.
You can take your filament waste, shred it down into pellets, and then take those pellets and recombine them into new spools of filaments. So we're really looking at the sustainability angle and not having to throw away so much plastic in the world.